Hi guys and gals, Mama Bear here with a daily dash of life. If you haven't already, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell button to get notifications of my latest videos. I have been receiving a request to make my papas rojas, so that's what I'll be making for breakfast this morning. And the ingredients I will be using are one large russet potato that I have peeled and now I'm about to cube. I will also be dicing half of a small onion. In addition to my large russet potato that has been cubed and my half of a diced onion, I will be using 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, or enough to coat the potatoes. I will be using 8 to 10 ounces of tomato sauce, salt and pepper to taste, half of a teaspoon of chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now you know I just love the flavor of paprika on my potatoes. You can start off with about 2 teaspoons of salt, and because I'm using coarse ground pepper, I am just using a pinch. Had I been using fine ground pepper, then I would have used 1 teaspoon. Time to heat my oil on a medium heat. When the oil has had time to heat, then I will add my potatoes and toss them until they have been evenly coated with the oil, and then I will season them. I will continue to toss the potatoes every few minutes until they have cooked for 10 minutes. After about the first 5 minutes, then I will add my onions. By this time, you should have noticed that your potato went from being opaque to a more translucent, and then the outside will begin to crisp up. Then I will add my tomato sauce before covering them. I will lower the heat and let them cook for an additional 15 minutes. You should still stir them every so often. A little tip that I would like to add is, the more crowded the pan, the longer your potatoes will take to cook. So adjust your cooking time according to how much you are cooking at a time. When your 15 minutes are up, I suggest testing them for tenderness. If you have not reached your desired tenderness, then continue to cook them covered in 5-minute increments until they are exactly how you like them. When they are where you need them to be, turn off the heat, but keep them covered for a few extra minutes to allow the tomato sauce to thicken and stick to the potatoes. When they are fully cooked but still firm, I find them perfect for one dish, which is to add them to a plate, put an egg over easy on top of them, and voila, you're done. For the other way I like to have them, I continue to cook them covered until they are super soft. At which point I smear them on a hot tortilla and make a breakfast taco or burrito. I love the flavor of these potatoes, so I find more ways to eat them. I tend to do that with a lot of my dishes. And there you have it. Can't get any easier than that, ladies and gents. Time to enjoy the fruits of your labor and dig in. I hope you liked this quick little video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope it inspired you to get in the kitchen and find out your favorite way of eating these potatoes. I will be putting a video out on my papas con chorizo soon, so keep an eye out for those. Toodles!
I just get so happy when I have these. I can't contain my excitement.
This has been Mama Bear with a Daily Dash of Life. And as always, don't forget to spice up yours. May God bless you. Thanks for watching. To subscribe, click my watermark and click any video icon for more videos or to start a playlist. Check out bonus footage at Instagram and Twitter at A Daily Dash of Life. Toodles!